I found a coin in a dream by the corner market gate. Bought a peach from a guy who only smiled with one eye. It tasted like summer dirt, and it fixed my broken shirt. Now the day feels strange, like it's trying on my name. And I keep walking slow, like the street might know what I'm about to get from a tiny little wreck. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Wash my wild heart clean. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Let it fall on me. There was a dog in a hat chasing crows across the track. A kid drew a crown in chalk, then turned and started to walk. I stepped on a cracked blue tile and laughed for a little while. Nothing stayed the same, but it all still felt my name. And I keep walking slow, like the street might know what I'm about to get from a tiny little wreck. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Wash my wild heart clean. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Let it fall on me. Maybe luck is just a bent up spoon, a peach on a paper plate, and a sky too soon. I was empty at dawn, now I'm almost full, with a little rough joy and a pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Wash my wild heart clean. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. Let it fall on me. Pocket full of rain, pocket full of rain. I can't